you how to be a better cook. First step, wash your hands. Step 2, get all your ingredients out before you start cooking. We're going to make apple muffins. 1.5 cup all-purpose flour. 2 teaspoons of baking powder. 1.5 teaspoons ground cinnamon. 1 teaspoon of baking soda. 1/2 teaspoon of salt. 2 large eggs. 3/4 cup of sugar. 5 tablespoons of warm melted unsalted butter. But instead, we're going to use oil. Now we need apples. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I'm going to get the tools together. A mixing bowl. A muffin tray. Muffin cups. A measuring cup. Measuring spoon. And now I'm going to put the cups into the muffin tray. My flour. My salt. My sugar. My cinnamon. I put all my dry ingredients together and I'm going to stir them. Now I'm going to put my wet ingredients together. Eggs. And oil. Now I'm going to stir this together. This is the part that you'll need parent supervision, but I already know how to use this kind of tool. We're going to mix up the apples. This is the final stir before I put them into the muffin tray. Now I'm going to put the mix into the muffin tray. And now we're going to put it into the oven. Fresh baked apple muffins. Delicious.